Today we are checking out Caspian stainless steel sipper bottle. So let's see it. Okay, this one is 1 liter bottle. MRP is 536, but we got it from Amazon only for 329, and tons of color options are available. Ours is royal blue and the size is 29 centimeter height and 7.2 centimeter diameter, and the weight is just 180 gram. It's super lightweight. And this one is a proper steel bottle, and the outside has this khurdara sand like texture. It's not plain, not slippery, it's matte, and this gives you a great grip. And it's a sipper bottle. The mouth is wide enough, it's easy to fill, super easy to clean, and no smell at all. It's made up of 100% rust proof material. It fits perfectly in the side pocket of any bag. So the bottle is meant for plain water only, not for cold drink, tea or coffee, because it's not insulated one. No 24-hour hot or cold feature. The water stays exactly at the room temperature, whatever it is. It's genuinely 100% leak proof, zero issues there. The only thing is, because it's so lightweight, if at all it falls, it can get dent. So just handle it carefully, that's all. Rest all is excellent, totally worth trying, absolutely worth the price. And if you like the video, subscribe. Bye bye.